Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change message tone in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and you want to change your message tones, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open the settings app. In settings, just go for sounds and vibrations, select that, and here just go for notification vibration, or you must have to look for notification sound, as just tap on it. And here you will get a list of notification sound. You can easily select that for your sim 1 or sim 2, as I'm going to change the notification sound from the sim 1, so just select that. For example, I'm going to select this one. Just tap on it. Once you have selected, your notification sound will be changed. So that's how you can easily change message tone in your Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.